Gas cylinder finished? No worries, you can still cook a full Indian meal using just your microwave. Rice, dal, sabzi and even a fluffy omelette all without LPG, and I'll show you how to do it safely. But remember few things, always use microwave safe glass or ceramic, avoid metal completely and handle hot utensils with care. Let's start with the rice. Wash it 2 to 3 times and soak for 15 minutes. Add 1 cup rice and 2 cups water to a microwave safe bowl, and always use a large bowl to prevent the overflow. Cover it loosely but never airtight and microwave for 15 to 20 minutes until soft and fluffy. You can see the rice came out very well, separately grainy. For dal, take whatever kind of dal that you want to cook and wash it thoroughly, soak it and add 2 cups of water, turmeric and salt. Again, don't forget to use a deep bowl because dal can bubble up while cooking. Microwave until soft and mashable consistency. Then give it a quick mix. Don't forget to check regularly. Keep an eye on the microwave and give it a mix, and finish with a spoon of ghee. Now for the sabzi, take your favorite vegetables and chop them. Mix the chopped vegetables with spices of your choice. Here I'm showing turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder and a little oil. Cover loosely and microwave for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring once in between. This step is very important. Be careful while opening. Hot steam can burn, so open the lid away from your face. There you go. Nicely cooked vegetable sabji is ready. For the omelette, crack eggs into a mug. Before that, apply butter. Give the eggs a nice whisk. Now add vegetables and seasonings of your choice. Mix well. Microwave for 1 minute. Stir and then microwave it for another 30 to 60 seconds. Remember not to overcook it, otherwise it can turn rubbery. Short bursts work best with this omelette. And just like that, a complete, safe and delicious meal without using any gas is finished. Save this for later and follow for more smart cooking hacks. Thanks for watching.